How to delete your eSmart tax account. For this, open a browser and search for eSmart tax. Now from here, we'll be looking for libertytax.com and go ahead and give it a tap or give it a search. Now once you land in the official web page, you have to tap on the 3 horizontal line which is at the very top. So go ahead and press that and tap on Start the Taxes Online. Select the option of File Online right here. Scroll down and tap on a plan that is preferred to you, and then go ahead and select the Start Now icon at the bottom of the plan. Firstly, go ahead and sign into your account by tapping on this Sign In Now option at the very top. Enter your username and your password and hit the sign in bubble at the bottom of the screen. Once you are signed into your Liberty Tax account, you have to go ahead and select the option of Account or in your username. From there, head to your settings. You should find the option called Account Deletion or Deactivation. Tap on Deletion. Once you tap on it, there are certain procedures to follow. Firstly, provide them with any verification that they ask for. It may include your social security number as well to really verify that it is you. Now once you are verified, you'll be provided with a link. You simply have to tap on it to verify your email as well. Now make sure that once you are deleting your account, you are deleting your tax history and statement as well. To continue with the process, just go ahead and tap on the delete option given to you. Now once you do that, you'll be able to delete your account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.